Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G smartphone to see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So Redmi Note 15 5G comes with 5500 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging. For this testing purpose, we will use Xiaomi's official 45 watt charger and the cable that comes in the retail box, and this another smartphone as the timer. So here you can see it is charging rapidly, 1% after 40 seconds. You can see that Mi Turbo charging is enabled on our Redmi Note 15 5G. So it's 15 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it is at 17%, as you can see here. So after 30 minutes, the battery percentage is at 35%. If we go to the battery settings, so here you can see that it is showing it will take 54 minutes more in charging the battery up to 100%. So after 45 minutes, it's at 53%. So it's an hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it is at 70%. And it is showing that it will take 25 minutes more in charging the battery up to 100%. So it's 1 hour 15 minutes and the battery is at 86%. It will take 13 minutes more in reaching 100%. So it's 1 hour 25 minutes now and the battery is at 92%. And now it is showing it will take 15 minutes more. 10 minutes before it was showing it will take 13 minutes, but now it is showing it will take 15 minutes, even though the battery percentage is more now. So after 1 hour 35 minutes, the battery percentage is at 96 and 11 minutes more to go. And now it's at 98%. It is showing it will take 7 minutes more. So 1 hour 50 minutes now and the battery is already charged. So even though it was showing that it will take 7 minutes more, in less than 5 minutes the battery fully charged to 100%. So you can expect a bit more than 1 hour 45 minutes, but a bit less than 1 hour 50 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.